This quick guide explains how to buy shares of Ainos Inc. Ainos Inc. is an industrial automation and robotics company listed on the NASDAQ with the ticker AIMD. This video is educational only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy AIMD, you need a broker account. We'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify the account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker AIMD to locate the listing. Make sure you select Ainos Inc. from the search results to access the correct stock page. On the stock page, you'll find a brief company summary and a price chart showing recent performance. Check the name, NASDAQ exchange, and AIMD ticker to confirm this is the correct asset. To invest, click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to purchase, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order will be queued or executed according to the platform's rules, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your AIMD position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the link to eToro is available in the description if you want to follow the same process shown here.